Your PIN, personal identification number, is crucial for account security on Assurance Wireless. Your PIN, personal identification number, is crucial for account security on Assurance Wireless. If you've forgotten your PIN, don't worry. The easiest way to reset it is through the Assurance Wireless website or app. Navigate to Account Settings and select Change PIN. You'll likely need to verify your identity via email or SMS. If you're locked out, call customer support at 1-888-321-5880. Remember, always store your PIN securely and never share it. Recent updates include two-factor authentication to enhance security during online PIN resets, so be prepared for that extra verification step. If you've entered your PIN incorrectly 3 times, your SIM card will lock, requiring a PUK code. This code is typically found on the SIM card packaging. If you can't find it, contact Assurance Wireless support at 1-888-321-5880. Provide your account number, IMEI, and SIM ID to retrieve it. Account locks occur due to suspected fraud or policy violations. To unlock your account, contact support immediately and be ready to provide proof of identity, like a government ID or the last 4 digits of your SSN. Avoid third-party services, as they might be scams. Assurance Wireless increasingly uses automated systems to detect unusual activity, so ensure your account details are up to date to prevent unwarranted locks.